Hello, in this video we're gonna check which motions and gestures work on a lock screen for Motorola Moto E6s. And first we'll need to open our settings. Now on the bottom we can find the system. Inside there's the gestures. Now you can see all available motions and gestures on this device. Now let's check which of them work on the lock screen. So there's a swipe fingerprint for notifications, and it works on unlocked phone like this. On the back you have a fingerprint sensor, so you can scroll it down and that way you can see your notification bar. Now let's see if it works on a lock screen. So obviously when our phone is in AOD mode it doesn't work, so let's try actually lighting up the phone. Now yep, this function doesn't work on your lock screen, so we can move on. Jump to camera, and here if you press the power button twice you can open a camera on this device, and it works from any screen, so it should work on a lock screen as well. Let's try it. So we need to unlock it anyway, and here we have a camera. Next is lift to check the phone, and that obviously works on a lock screen as it's made for it, so if we lock our device and pick it up, it should wake up. Prevent ringing on, and if you press a volume up and a power key at the same time, you can set your phone to vibrate or mute. You can change these two options or simply disable them. Now let's try it. As you can see, we just went silent mode by pressing these two combinations. Now let's go for the last one, which is fast flashlight, which is the most annoying function on Motorola device you can get, and I never basically can make it work. So you just need to make these two chops when you enable it to turn on flashlight, but as you can see it's useless. So yeah, you can try it, but I can confirm that it works on a lock screen because a few times I've managed it, it actually went well. And yeah, that's all of the functions for gestures and motions on this device when your phone is locked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.